What's up, Q dolls and Q dons, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you'll become part of the queendom. For the theatrics of it all, I decided to use a bigger lash, but normally I love to use more natural lashes, like not too small but a lot more natural than this. For the sake of the video, then I can just go ahead and show you guys with the bigger, bolder, lash. So anyhow, let's get into the look. I'm still wearing these same nails, the same Shein nails. And then as far as the jewelry, I just have my rose quartz, moonstone, rose quartz, and I think this is pink amethyst beaded bracelet. It just kind of went with the shirt. And then I have on this cute rose gold headband and some cute rose gold dangle earrings. I'm trying to remember where the headbands are from. I think the headbands were from Shein back in the day. I believe so. And the earrings, I couldn't tell you. I collect earrings all over the place. The lashes are from Aliexpress. Okay, so you want to know how to apply your lashes like a pro, then this video is for you. So the lashes that we're addressing today is strip lashes, and surprisingly a lot of people have some issues with how to apply their strip lashes. So hopefully I can bridge that gap today. So first and foremost, you want to pick a pair of lashes that you're comfortable with. If you're not comfortable with really big lashes or, like butterfly looking lashes, then dial it back and, go to medium size or even baby size lashes and just wear those until you feel comfortable with it. And maybe you will always just want more, natural looking lashes and things of that sort. Wear what you are comfortable with, because if you are not comfortable and confident in your lashes, then why are you putting them on? Why are you putting them on, sis? And so to apply your lashes like a pro, you're going to need 4 items. You're going to need the lashes itself, the lash glue, eyeliner of some sort, whether it's liquid liner or like a creamy eyeliner, and then you're going to need mascara. Additionally, if you want to utilize a 5th item, tweezers, I would say, but I've been doing my lashes without tweezers for so many years, so that's the only reason why I'm not like recommending that you absolutely have to have it. But some people say tweezers help them apply their lashes a lot easier, and I find it a lot harder. I just find it easier to go in with my actual fingers. So the first step is to get a mascara that you like, and then you want to apply that mascara in 2 coats. If you want your natural lashes to blend with your falsies, I would not skip this step of applying 2 coats to each natural lash, and this is going to help blend the two seamlessly. I really love doing this step. Next, you want to go in with your liner, and like I said, I'm using a liquid liner, but you can just use any creamy liner, and you don't have to be perfect for this step. Essentially, what you want to do with this liner, you want to disguise where the lash band is going. You don't have to go for a cat eye or anything. You just want a simple line to be able to disguise where your natural lashes and your lash band meet. They do already make black lash glue. However, I would not recommend that for a beginner. If you're kind of new to this and you have to practice on how to put your lashes on, it's actually harder to correct black lash glue versus doing just a thin layer of eyeliner and then using a clear glue with the actual lashes. I feel like that's a lot easier to correct if things go left. Next, you want to take your lash glue. I love me some Kiss lash glue. I love the little brush on applicators. It makes it so much easier to apply the lash. So just go right on in on the eyeliner that you created. And then if you want extra hold, just put some lash glue on the actual band of the lashes. And then just find the very center of the lash and just pop it on into place, starting in the center. Now you can move the lash where you need to. Push it down in the corner. And then just pinch your real lashes and your falsies together. Just go ahead and give it a nice little pinch. So that's how that goes. And then I'm just going to pop the other one on and then come back on camera. This is how it looks once I've applied both lashes. So I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and if you found it helpful or you liked it in any way, shape, or form, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share it if you care with a friend who is into makeup or lashes. And also let me know in the comment section, how do you wear your lashes? Do you wear them long, bold, beautiful? Do you wear them medium size and more natural? Or do you wear them like baby lashes? Like you literally want the bare minimum. You just want a little extra, you know, than what your natural lashes are. And that's okay. No matter what it is that you feel comfortable with, drop it down in the comment section below on what type of lash that you feel most comfortable in or confident in and that you tend to gravitate to. Also, let me know in the comment section, what's your favorite lash glue? Please, 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 QueenDolls or whoever is watching this video, stop using hair glue for your lashes. It is ripping out your natural lashes and it's not doing anything good for your natural lashes. So please go invest in some lash glue. I'm telling you, all you got to do is double it up on the line of your natural lash line and double it up on the actual false lash, and it will stay the entire night as needed. So please, please go invest in lash glue. That is a really big tip of mine, so you can save your own lashes and start wearing your own natural lashes out because they get longer. Okay, it's sometimes that when I'm wearing a really natural look, really minimum makeup, I will throw on some mascara and I feel okay. I feel confident enough to go out like that because it's something there. I didn't rip it all out using hair glue on my lash line. So it's a good tip for all of you cuties who care about your natural lashes. So I hope you all enjoyed this look. I didn't even know it. It just came together at the last minute that this was the look that I was doing. But yeah, so this is just how it looks. So with all of that being said, thank you so much for watching. And as always, be gorgeous, be blessed, be queens, my dolls. And until next time, hasta luego.